Alright, good day guys, and welcome to another SMC tutorial video. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to acquire a .bnb domain name. Alright, so kind of like the Ethereum name service, Binance Smart Chain also came up with its own means of acquiring a domain name using .bnb or a .bnb domain name. Right, so to acquire this domain name, first thing you have to do is you head over to Trust Wallet, and then you head over to the browser, then on-chain Space.id. Now Space.id is the service that provides domain names for you to buy on the Binance Smart Chain. Right, so once you head over to Space.id, give it a few seconds, and then you connect your wallet. So here we choose Trust Wallet, change this to the Binance Smart Chain because you want to buy a name service on the Binance Smart Chain, right? So now Space.id incorporated other blockchains into it, but it is the primary source of getting .bnb domain names, right? So head over to Ethereum, change it to the Binance chain, and then we head over to search, and now you search for the domain name that you want to acquire, right? So it can be whatever name, it can be your name, it can be a random name, it can be the name of a company, whatever you want to buy. If you want to make an investment in a company's name, or if you just want your own unique domain name. So let's just use a random name here. Let's go Sixers. Let's just search for Sixers. Okay, now you can see that Sixers is an unregistered name, right? If the name was already registered, you'd see its expiry date here. It would be in like 6 years, 2 years, a year, depending on how long the person has subscribed for the name, right? Huge names like Amazon, Tesla, and the rest have already been gotten, right? And these names expire in a few years, and most of them have been listed. So if the name was already acquired, you'd see the listing price here, maybe 100 BNB, 200 BNB, and the rest. And if that's what you want to go for, you can actually go for it. But here we are going to be using a unique name that nobody has registered, right? So we tap on this, we head over to register, and now I can choose to register for a year, 2 years, 3 years, right? But for this video, we'll be going 2 years, and then we just tap register. Now, so once you register it, we just approve, and boom, you've gotten yourself .bnb domain name, right? You've gotten yourself a .bnb domain name. So hope you guys have fun trying this out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please be sure to make them known in the comment section, right? We'll be there to answer all your questions. Guys, have fun trying this out, and see you in the next video.